In this video, we listed the 20 best space-saving gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Cereal Rice Food Storage Containers. The cereal rice food storage containers are designed for efficient and organized kitchen storage, catering to dry food essentials like rice, cereal, flour, sugar, and even pet food, dog or cat food. These containers feature a collapsible design, allowing for adjustable capacity between 20 to 50 pounds, making them versatile for different storage needs. Key features: rolling wheels, enhances mobility, making it easy to move the container even when fully loaded. Airtight locking lid, keeps food fresh by preventing moisture, air, and pests from entering. Leak-proof and sealable design, ensures food remains uncontaminated, maintaining freshness for extended periods. Durable plastic construction, sturdy and safe for kitchen and pantry use. Multi-purpose storage, suitable for dry pantry items like rice, flour, and sugar, as well as pet food storage for dogs and cats. Product 2. Product name: 4 Tiers Narrow Bathroom Storage Cabinet. The 4 Tiers Narrow Bathroom Storage Cabinet is a space-saving floor organizer designed for compact areas like bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and living spaces. Measuring 7.1 inches in width, this slim storage unit efficiently utilizes tight spaces while offering multiple storage options. It features 4 tiers, including drawers for discreet storage and a built-in tissue box for added convenience. Made from waterproof plastic, the cabinet is easy to clean and resistant to moisture, making it ideal for bathroom environments. Additionally, mobile wheels enhance portability, allowing users to move and reposition the cabinet effortlessly. This storage cabinet aligns well with the user's interest in household organization and functional home appliances, complementing compact living solutions like kitchen accessories, cleaning tools, and home improvement products. Its multi-purpose design makes it suitable for keeping toiletries, cleaning supplies, kitchen essentials, or even office accessories neatly stored while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. Product 3. Product name: Utopia StoraLid. The Utopia StoraLid adjustable food container lid organizer is a kitchen storage solution designed to help keep food container lids neatly organized in cabinets. Given your interest in baking tools, household kitchen appliances, and efficient storage solutions, this product aligns well with your needs. This large-sized lid organizer features adjustable dividers that allow you to customize the storage space to fit various lid sizes, reducing clutter and making it easier to find the right lid quickly. It is designed to fit inside standard kitchen cabinets or pantry shelves, helping to maximize storage efficiency. The durable BPA-free plastic construction ensures longevity, while the non-slip feet keep it stable. Product 4. Product name: Yazush Metal Garage Storage Cabinet. The Yazush Metal Garage Storage Cabinet is a versatile and durable steel storage solution designed for use in garages, offices, homes, gyms, and schools. With 2 lockable doors and 5 adjustable shelves, this 71-inch tall cabinet provides customizable storage for tools, files, office supplies, or household items. Its heavy-duty metal construction ensures durability and stability, making it ideal for securely storing valuables. The locking mechanism enhances security, keeping important items safe from unauthorized access. The sleek black finish adds a professional and modern touch, making it a practical yet stylish addition to various spaces. Product 5. Product name: LifeWit 2-Pack Laundry Hamper. The LifeWit 2-Pack Laundry Hamper is a practical and stylish laundry solution designed for convenience and efficiency. This set includes 2 large collapsible laundry baskets, each with an 80L capacity, making them perfect for handling large loads of laundry in homes, dorms, or shared living spaces. These hampers feature a freestanding design, allowing them to maintain their shape without external support. The waterproof fabric ensures durability and protection against moisture, making them ideal for use in laundry rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and college dorms. The easy-carry handles provide effortless transport, whether moving laundry from room to room or to a laundromat. Product 6. Product name Flamaker Futon Sofa Bed. The Flamaker Futon Sofa Bed is a modern and versatile piece of furniture designed for comfort and functionality. Featuring a convertible recliner design, it effortlessly transforms between a sofa and a bed, making it ideal for small living spaces, guest rooms, or apartments. The PU leather upholstery in black gives it a sleek and stylish appearance while ensuring durability and easy maintenance. This futon set includes removable armrests and built-in cup holders, adding convenience for lounging, watching movies, or entertaining guests. The sturdy frame and adjustable backrest provide support and comfort in various reclining positions. Given the user's interest in practical and multifunctional home products like patio furniture and tiny homes, this futon sofa could be a great addition to a flexible living setup. Product 7. Product name 24-pack vacuum storage bags. The 24-pack vacuum storage bags with electric pump is a practical space-saving solution designed for organizing and storing clothes, mattresses, blankets, duvets, pillows, and comforters. This set includes 5 jumbo, 5 large, 5 medium, 5 small, and 4 roll-up bags, offering versatile storage options for different needs. The included electric pump ensures quick and effortless air removal, making it more convenient than manual pumps. These vacuum-sealed bags help protect stored items from dust, moisture, and odors, making them ideal for home organization, seasonal storage, and travel. Given the user's interest in household organization and efficient storage solutions, this product aligns well with their needs, particularly for maximizing closet space or packing efficiently for trips. Product 8. Product name 6L Stainless Steel Airtight Canister. The 6L Stainless Steel Airtight Canister is a versatile and practical storage solution for various food items, making it a perfect addition to any household kitchen or restaurant setup. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this canister is designed to store dry goods such as rice, cereal, grains, sugar, and even milk powder while maintaining their freshness and quality. The airtight seal ensures that the contents remain protected from moisture, air, and pests, prolonging their shelf life. With a 6-liter capacity, this canister offers ample space for bulk storage, whether for everyday use or in commercial environments like bars and restaurants. It features sturdy handles for easy portability and a secure lid that keeps contents tightly sealed. The sleek silver finish adds a modern, polished look that blends seamlessly into kitchen decor, making it both functional and stylish. Product 9. Product name Sedator Lift Top Coffee Table. The Sedator Lift Top Coffee Table is a versatile and practical piece of furniture designed for modern living rooms. This 4-in-1 multifunctional coffee table not only serves as a traditional coffee table but also easily transforms into a dining table, making it ideal for smaller spaces or apartments where maximizing functionality is key. The table features a lift-top mechanism, allowing the surface to rise to a comfortable height for eating, working, or lounging. In addition to its adjustable surface, the Sedator coffee table is equipped with ample storage. It includes hidden compartments and a large lower shelf, offering convenient space to store remote controls, books, and other items while keeping the tabletop tidy. The table's farmhouse design adds a touch of rustic charm, and its grey finish complements a wide range of home decor styles. Product 10. Product name White 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer. The White 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is an excellent solution for maximizing vertical storage space in various areas of the home, including the pantry, kitchen, laundry room, or bathroom. Its 9 deep baskets are designed to hold everything from pantry staples to cleaning supplies or bathroom essentials, making it a versatile storage option. The organizer is crafted from heavy-duty metal, ensuring durability and sturdiness for heavier items. The white finish complements modern home decor, while the over-the-door design makes installation easy without the need for drilling or complicated setup. Additionally, the organizer can double as a spice rack or seasoning shelf, ideal for keeping kitchen essentials easily accessible. Whether you're organizing your pantry, sorting laundry supplies, or tidying up your bathroom, this organizer offers an efficient and stylish way to keep items neatly stored and within reach. Product 11. Product name Oreo 20 Jar Spice Rack with Spices. The Oreo 20 Jar Spice Rack with Spices is a sleek and practical solution for organizing kitchen spices and seasonings. Designed with a revolving tower organizer, this spice rack offers easy access to all your favorite flavors while saving valuable countertop space. The set includes 20 glass jars filled with a variety of spices, so it's perfect for cooking enthusiasts who want to add seasoning convenience to their kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it not only complements modern kitchen decor but also ensures longevity. The rotating feature allows you to easily find and grab the spices you need, making meal prep and cooking quicker and more efficient. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting to explore the world of spices, this rack provides a functional and stylish addition to your kitchen. Product 12. Product name ELEAD 260-piece Pegboard Hooks. The ELEAD 260-piece Pegboard Hooks set is an essential tool for organizing various spaces like the garage, kitchen, bathroom, or craft room. This kit includes hooks designed to fit both 1/8 and 1/4 pegboards, allowing flexibility in setup. With 260 pieces, it provides a wide array of hooks, bins, and accessories to help you store tools, utensils, and craft supplies neatly and within easy reach. This pegboard organizer set can help declutter your workspace by securely holding items like hand tools, cleaning supplies, kitchen gadgets, and crafting materials, enhancing efficiency and accessibility. Whether you're setting up a garage workshop, a kitchen drawer, or a craft station, the ELEAD pegboard hooks offer a versatile and space-saving solution. Product 13. Product name SUEC Magnetic Cable Ties. The SUEC magnetic cable ties are a practical and fun solution for organizing cords and cables, combining both functionality and a playful design. This 24-pack set features 7.2-inch reusable silicone twist ties in assorted colors, each with a strong magnet to keep cords neatly wrapped and secured. The ties are designed in cute cloud shapes, adding a light-hearted touch to your organizational system, and they can be used not only as cable organizers but also as fridge magnets or decorative clips. Ideal for anyone looking to reduce cord clutter around the house, office, or even in your DIY setups, these versatile cable ties offer an efficient and aesthetically pleasing way to keep things tidy. Their silicone material ensures durability, while the magnetic feature makes them easy to use and reposition as needed. Whether you're dealing with kitchen cables, office cords, or even electronic wires, these ties serve as a great tool for organization. Product 14. Product name Crofy No Assembly Folding Bookshelf. The Crofy No Assembly Folding Bookshelf is a convenient and stylish storage solution for various spaces, such as the living room or home office. This 4-tier bookshelf features a gold finish, adding an elegant touch to your decor. It offers a collapsible, folding design, which allows for easy storage and portability, making it perfect for users with limited space or those who move frequently. The unit provides ample storage space for books, decor, and office supplies, while its no assembly feature ensures a hassle-free setup. Whether you need a portable organizer or a space-saving solution, this bookshelf meets both functional and aesthetic needs with its modern and adaptable design. Product 15. Product name Magic Pants Hangers. The Magic Pants Hanger space-saving, 2-pack, is a versatile and efficient solution for organizing your closet. This multifunctional rack organizer is designed to maximize space and keep your wardrobe neat and tidy. With multiple layers and 10 metal clips, it can hold trousers, slacks, scarves, or other clothing items, preventing them from getting wrinkled or cluttered. The space-saving design helps you store more items in a smaller space, ideal for closets with limited room. This set of hangers not only provides a practical storage option but also ensures your clothes remain easily accessible and well organized. Perfect for those looking to optimize their closet space while keeping their garments in great condition. Product 16. Product name Yakai Underbed Storage with Wheels. The Yakai Underbed Storage with Wheels, 2-pack, is a convenient and efficient solution for organizing items under your bed. With dimensions of 30.71 by 16.93 by 6.69 inches, these rolling underbed metal drawers offer ample space to store a variety of items, such as clothes, blankets, shoes, or other household essentials. The added benefit of wheels makes them easy to slide in and out, allowing for hassle-free access to your stored items without the need to lift or rearrange. The sturdy metal frame ensures durability, while the sleek design fits well with any home decor. This underbed storage is especially useful for maximizing space in small rooms, ensuring that your living area stays neat and clutter-free. Product 17. Product name Utoplike 4PC's Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Dividers. The Utoplike 4PC's Bamboo Kitchen Drawer Dividers are a practical and eco-friendly solution to organizing drawers in various areas of your home, including the kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, dresser, and desk. These dividers are designed to fit most standard-sized drawers, with a spring-loaded feature that allows for easy adjustment to your specific needs. Made from durable bamboo, they offer a natural aesthetic while helping you maintain a tidy and organized space. These dividers are ideal for sorting utensils, office supplies, makeup, clothing, or other household items. Their adjustable design ensures versatility, fitting into drawers of different sizes while maximizing storage capacity. Bamboo is also known for its sustainable and eco-friendly properties, making these dividers a great addition to your home organization routine if you're conscious about environmentally friendly products. Product 18. Product name 4-Pack Lazy Susan Organizer. The 4-Pack Lazy Susan Organizer is an upgraded solution for organizing various spaces around the home, such as kitchens, pantries, bathrooms, and even refrigerators. These 11.5-inch clear turntables come with built-in handles and raised edges, offering a practical design that makes it easy to rotate items and access them with ease. The turntable design allows for smooth rotation, helping you maximize cabinet space and keep items neatly organized. This versatile set is ideal for storing spices, condiments, bathroom essentials, or even small kitchen appliances. With its durable construction and efficient rotating feature, the Lazy Susan helps maintain an organized, clutter-free environment, making it a great addition to any home. Whether you use it on a countertop, in your pantry, or on a bathroom shelf, this product offers functional storage that enhances accessibility and convenience. Product 19. Product name Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator. The Magnetic Spice Rack for Refrigerator is an innovative kitchen organizer designed to streamline your cooking space. This set includes 3 magnetic shelves that can be easily mounted on the side of your fridge or any other metal surface. It features a 3-pack of movable, space-saving racks perfect for organizing spices, seasonings, and other small kitchen items. Additionally, it comes with an 8-hook rack for hanging utensils or kitchen tools, making it versatile and practical for everyday use. Whether you're organizing spices, condiments, or small kitchen gadgets, this magnetic spice rack maximizes storage without taking up counter space, providing an efficient and tidy solution for any kitchen. Product 20. Product name Stove Shelf 30-inch length. The Stove Shelf 30-inch length stainless steel magnetic shelf is a convenient kitchen storage solution designed to help you organize your kitchen space without the need for installation. This magnetic shelf attaches directly to your stove, offering a sleek, stainless steel finish that complements most kitchen designs. It functions as an overstove spice rack organizer, allowing you to keep frequently used spices, oils, or other small kitchen essentials within easy reach. The zero installation feature means you can easily place or remove the shelf without causing any damage to your walls or stove, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen. Whether you're looking to streamline your cooking process or simply reduce countertop clutter, this shelf provides both functionality and a modern aesthetic.